Hello friends, welcome to the channel. Today we talk about something super crazy, the coldest place in the whole universe. Think about this. Your freezer at home is maybe minus 18 degrees Celsius. Antarctica can get to minus 90 degrees. Space is very cold too, about minus 270 degrees Celsius. But there is one spot that beats them all. It is colder than empty space. First question, what is the coldest possible temperature? It is called absolute zero. That is minus 273.15 degrees Celsius, or 0 Kelvin. At absolute zero, atoms stop moving completely. No heat, no energy, nothing colder than that is possible. Physics says so. Space is not that cold. Why? Because of the Big Bang. The leftover heat from the start of the universe is still everywhere. It is called the cosmic microwave background. Its temperature is about 2.7 Kelvin. That is minus 270.45 degrees Celsius. Very cold, but not absolute zero. So empty space is minus 270 degrees Celsius. Most places in the universe are around that temperature, but one special place is even colder. It is the Boomerang Nebula. What is the Boomerang Nebula? It is a cloud of gas and dust. It looks like a boomerang. Or a bow tie. Very pretty in pictures from big telescopes. It is 5,000 light-years from Earth, in the constellation Centaurus. Too far to visit, but telescopes see it clearly. How cold is it? Ready for the number? Minus 272 degrees Celsius. Or 1 Kelvin. Just 1 degree above absolute zero. That is colder than the background heat of space. Colder than the Big Bang's leftover glow. Amazing. How is that possible? Space should warm everything slowly, right? Here is the secret. The Boomerang Nebula is very young. It is a planetary nebula. That means a dying star in the middle. This star is old. It is throwing out gas very fast. Super fast. The gas shoots out at 164 kilometers per second. That is like 590,000 kilometers per hour. Faster than any rocket we have. When gas expands so quickly, it cools down. Like when you let air out of a tire. It feels cold. Same idea, but much bigger. The fast expansion makes the gas lose heat energy. It gets super cold, colder than the space around it. Normally space heat would warm it up, but the gas moves so fast that it stays cold. It even absorbs heat from the cosmic background, like a super fridge in space. Scientists found this in 1995. They used a big radio telescope in Chile. Later, Hubble and ALMA telescopes took amazing photos. They confirmed it. The Boomerang Nebula is the coldest nature. Is there anything colder? In labs on Earth, scientists make super cold things. They reached billionths of a degree above absolute zero. But those are made by humans, not natural. The question is, in the universe. So natural places. Boomerang Nebula is still the king. Some videos say labs are colder now. Yes, but only tiny spots in machines. Not big natural places. For the whole universe, Boomerang wins. Why does it look blue? The gas is mostly carbon monoxide. It reflects light in a special way, and it is expanding into space, creating that ghost-like shape. It is like a frozen ghost in the sky, beautiful and scary at the same time. Imagine if you could stand there. You can't. But let's dream. You would freeze instantly. Your breath would turn to ice crystals. Your body would become brittle. But wow. What a view. A dying star throwing blue gas everywhere, silent, cold, peaceful. Now why should we care? This teaches us big things. It shows how stars die. They puff out layers, make beautiful nebulae. Some become cold like this. It helps us understand temperature in space. Heat and cold work differently when things move fast. And it reminds us, the universe is full of extremes. Hottest places are millions of degrees. Coldest are almost absolute zero. Our Earth is just right. Not too hot, not too cold. Perfect for life. Thanks for watching.